Ever jumped on a short squeeze? Everyone was getting on board. A short squeeze is where a whole bunch of little guys jump onto a shorted stock, forcing its value to rise. To limit their losses, the big guys have to dump their short positions, making the price skyrocket. When it works, the little guys can win big. I heard about a short squeeze on social and jumped on board. Turns out, I bought at an artificial high and then lost big when the stock came down to earth. I should have chosen my investments based on real growth potential. But I invested anyways, because bandwagoneering feels like a sure thing. Here I was on the first day, and on the last day, when I realized I learned how to make great craft beer by using reliable sources of information, learning the process, choosing great ingredients, and knowing when it's okay to experiment. Turns out, that's a recipe for success in brewing and in money. Don't be me. Brewing up a nice little portfolio starts by following the right recipe.